I welcome you all again to this video session. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.1 from a new chapter, Introduction of Algebra. Let us get into the session. Look at this chapter 2, Introduction of Algebra. Listen, algebra is interesting and useful in solving problems in our daily life, such as finding the number of things to its cost, converting miles into kilometers, grams to kilograms, etc. Finding the missing numbers in a sequence. Listen, algebra is an interesting and also easiest method. Listen, finding the number of things to its cost. Converting miles into kilometers, grams to kilograms. Finding the missing numbers in a sequence. You're given a sequence and you have to find out the missing numbers. That is also algebra. And one more thing, you play a game, that is think of any numbers. Ask your friends some clues you given and your friend will be find out the number. That is also algebra based game. So that is a game like variables. Variables are quantities that can take any value and they are denoted by small alphabets A, B, C, etc. up to Z. Patterns are the basic way to solve the problem easily. You already seen in the previous class that patterns. The branch of mathematics that deals with such patterns is called algebra. Today, algebra is used widely in many fields that include banking, insurance, accounting, and so on. Some example for patterns. Listen, number patterns 1, 2, 4, 7, 11, 16. What is the next number? Think. 1, 2. What is the difference? Plus 1 means it gives 2. And then 2 and 4. 2 plus 2 we get 4. And then 4, 7. 4 plus 3 we get 7. And after that plus 4. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and plus 4. Here plus 5. We get 16. Then what's the next number? We have to add 6 to this number. We get the next number. 16 plus 6 we get 22. After that plus 7, that is 29. These are the number patterns. Here that is the shape pattern. Triangle, circle, square. After the triangle and then circle and then square. That is shape pattern. Listen the first question. Fill in the blanks. The letters A, B, C up to Z. These are small alphabets are used to represent variables. So variables are taken that is a quantities. They taken the values A, B, that is a small alphabets. And then second one, a quantity that takes dash values is called a variable. The quantity that takes any values or different values is called a variable. So different is the answer. And third one, if there are 5 students in a bench, then the number of students in n benches is 5 into n. Here, which one is the variable? That is n. So n is a variable. Next one. Second question, say true or false. Listen, they are given a picture. The length of part B in the pencil shown is A minus 6. Listen the picture. Part A and part B. Part A plus part B totally 6 centimeters. So part A plus part B equal to 6. Part A, they given the length of part A, that is A centimeter. So A plus part B equal to 6 and part B equal to here plus A in plus. So bring this side means it becomes minus. So 6 minus A is the length of the part B. But they given A minus 6. So that is false. If the cost of an apple is X and cost of a banana is rupees 5, then the total cost of fruits is X plus 5. It is true only, no? The cost of apple is X and banana is rupees 5. So total cost means we add the rupees, that is X plus 5. So it is true. And then third one, if there are 11 players in a team, then there will be 11 plus Q players in Q teams. Check whether it is it true or false? Listen, 11 players in one team. Number of players, that is equal to 11. Number of players in one team, that is 11. So number of players in Q team means what we have to do? Multiply with 11. 11 into Q. But they given 11 plus Q. So that is false statement. Third one. Draw the next two patterns and complete the table. Listen here. They given the patterns, shape pattern. First one square, two triangles and one circle. See the next pattern, two squares, four triangles and two circles. So they given third pattern. We have to draw next two patterns. Listen, 1, 2, 3. Next one, 4 squares, four squares, 8 triangles and 4 circles. Next pattern, 5 squares. We want to draw 5 squares. One square, 2 triangles. One circle for one square. Now we drawn the next two patterns. Now complete the table. Listen, squares, next circle and triangle. So number of squares in first pattern, 1 square. In second pattern, 2 square. Third, 3 square. So fourth, 4 square, and fifth one, 5 square. Circles, listen, circle. How many circles in first pattern? One circle. 2 squares mean 2 circles, and 3, 4, 5. Next, number of triangles in first pattern. 2 triangles. Second pattern, 2 twos are 4, and third, 6 triangles, fourth, 8 triangles, and fifth pattern, 10 triangles. That is the shape pattern. This answer. Fourth one, use a variable to write the rule which gives the number of ice candy sticks required to make the following patterns. First one, a pattern of letter C as they form the letter with how many sticks? 1, 2, 3. 3 sticks. So, number of sticks required for one C. One letter C. Make means 3 sticks required. So, 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. Next, number of sticks for 2C equal to 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Next, number of sticks for 3C, that is equal to 3 into 3 equal to 9. Like this, number of sticks for 4C equal to 3 into 4 equal 12. Now, we want to make the following patterns. Use a variable. So, n be the number of letters C. So, number of sticks required for NC, n number of C, that is equal to 3 into n equal to 3n. Next, B, a pattern of letter M as they form in the sticks. How many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks required to form 1M. So, number of sticks required to make 1M equal to 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. That means number of sticks for 2M. 2M means 4 into 2, that is equal to 8. Next, number of sticks for 3M means 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. Number of sticks for 4M means 4 into 4, that is equal to 16. Like that, let n be the number of M. Means how many sticks were required? Number of sticks required for n number of m, that is equal to 4 into n, that is equal to 4n. Fifth one, the teacher forms group of 5 students in a class. How many students will be there in P groups? Listen, teacher forms the groups. In one group, 5 students. Means, how many students will be there in P groups? First, number of students in one group. In one group means 5 students. So 5 into 1, that is equal to 5. So number of students in two groups means 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. Now, what's the question? How many students will be there in P groups? So, number of students in P groups. So, 5 into P equal to 5P. That is the answer. Next one. Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Write Arivalagan's age in terms of his father's age. Listen, Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. That means 30 years lesser than to his father. Write the Arivalagan's age in terms of his father's age. We don't know his father's age also. So, let father's age, let the father's age be X. So, Arivalagan is 30 years younger to his father. Arivalagan age is what? X minus 30. That is Arivalagan's age. That is the answer. Listen the seventh one. If u is an even number, how would you represent first one, the next even number, and next the previous even number? Listen, if u is an even number, what are the even numbers first? Even numbers denoted by the letter E, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are the even numbers. Difference between two even numbers. Difference between two even numbers. What are the difference? In between 2 and 4, what is the difference? 2. 4 and 6, 2. So, two even numbers, difference is 2. Now, the first one, the next even number. U is an even number. If you take u value, u value is 4. U is 4 means, what is the next number? Add 2. That is the next number, 6. If u equal to 6 means 6 plus 2, 8. That is the next number. So, add 2 to u, we get the next number, next even number. So u plus 2 is the answer. Next one, the previous even number. Previous means before number. What is the before number? If you take the value of u is 8. What is before number, before even number? If you subtract 2 from that number, we get the previous even number. 8 minus 2, 6. So 8 before the even number is 8. If you take u value is 10 minus 2, you get 8. That is the previous number. So u minus 2 is the answer. Listen children, here 2.1 is over. So practice well. I will see again in next exercise. Thank you.